Hey guys, welcome to this new Apple AirTag unboxing. So here, I'm going to unbox the new Apple AirTag, which is one in the pack. And in our subsequent videos, we are going to review the Apple AirTag and some of the ways that you can use to set up the Apple AirTag, and of course, how to use the Apple AirTag to the maximum. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, unboxing the Apple AirTag, let's go ahead and do this. So once you have it just like this, you may want to go through the direction here. For you to use the Apple AirTag, you need the latest iOS software, iCloud account, and there is a replaceable battery in here, according to the instruction at the back. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Just flip this up like this. So if the seal is poor, you may not want to get the AirTag. So let's go ahead now, unbox it. Like this. In the AirTag bag, you have the cover, which is this, and then the AirTag manual. So in different languages. Now once you flipped it like this, you're gonna see the AirTag itself. So this is how the AirTag is packaged. There you go. So this is your Apple AirTag. Then you can just remove this flip and then go ahead and set it up using your iPhone, iPad. The AirTag uses a replaceable battery, so there's no way to charge the AirTag. And once the AirTag battery dies, all you just need to do is go ahead and get a replacement for it. So in our subsequent videos, we are going to talk about how to use this particular Apple AirTag and how to set it up with your iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.